Many people believe that you need money to start earning, but this is a common misconception. In reality, there are numerous opportunities to begin making money without any upfront investment. You don't need prior experience or a large social media following to get started. Side hustles such as freelancing, online surveys, and micro-task platforms are accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort. These options allow you to leverage your existing skills or simply your time. With the right approach, it's possible to start earning immediately, regardless of your background or resources. This section will explore some of the most accessible side hustles that require nothing more than your willingness to participate. The middleman service provider model operates by acting as an intermediary between clients seeking specific business services and freelancers who can deliver those services. In this approach, the middleman does not need to possess specialized skills in the service area. Instead, their main role is to identify client needs, source qualified freelancers, and manage the communication and workflow between both parties. By facilitating these connections and ensuring smooth project delivery, the middleman earns a profit, typically through a commission or markup on the freelancer's fee. This model allows individuals to build a business around organization and networking, rather than technical expertise. It is particularly effective in industries where clients value convenience and reliable project management. Overall, the middleman service provider model offers a flexible way to generate income by leveraging relationships and coordination skills. Creating and selling digital products like templates and planners is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Start by researching popular products on marketplaces such as Etsy or Gumroad to identify trends and customer preferences. Use free tools like Canva or Google Slides to design your templates and planners, ensuring they are visually appealing and easy to use. Focus on adding unique features, such as customizable sections or attractive color schemes, to make your products stand out. When listing your products, write clear descriptions and use high-quality preview images to attract users. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip allow you to sell digital downloads without upfront costs. Regularly update your offerings based on customer feedback and market trends to maximize your success. Creating faceless content pages on social media has become a popular strategy for reaching wide audiences without personal branding. By focusing on motivational and educational material, these pages provide value and inspiration to followers while maintaining anonymity. Content is often curated or designed to engage viewers, encouraging shares and interactions. Monetization is achieved through the strategic placement of affiliate links, which generate commissions from recommended products or services. Additionally, digital products such as ebooks, courses, or templates are offered to further diversify income streams. This approach allows creators to build scalable online businesses with minimal upfront investment and personal exposure. Social media management services present a valuable opportunity for local businesses seeking to enhance their online presence. The process typically begins with an initial consultation to understand the client's goals and target audience. From there, a tailored strategy is developed, which may include content creation, scheduling posts, engaging with followers, and monitoring analytics. Pricing for these services often varies based on the scope and frequency of work, but many providers offer monthly packages to ensure consistent support. By securing multiple clients, social media managers can establish a reliable stream of monthly income. This approach not only benefits the businesses by boosting their visibility, but also creates a sustainable business model for the service provider. Consistency is a key factor in achieving lasting success, especially when pursuing financial independence through a side hustle. By focusing your efforts on a single venture, you can build expertise and momentum rather than spreading yourself too thin across multiple projects. Taking daily action, even if it's just a small step, helps you make steady progress and overcome obstacles along the way. Over time, these consistent efforts compound, leading to significant growth and new opportunities. Committing to one side hustle and showing up every day can transform your skill, confidence, and financial future. In summary, earning without upfront investment is possible with the right resources and guidance. To help you get started, we're offering a free starter kit packed with valuable tools and insights. Simply request your kit to begin your journey toward financial independence. For ongoing tips and strategies, make sure to subscribe and stay updated with our latest content. Empower yourself with knowledge and take the first step toward building a rewarding future without spending a dime up front.